For every resource that we have an inbound port to be able to access that resource, such as a virtual machine, it's going to have a network security group attached to it automatically. And I can go ahead and edit that or create new ones. I'm going to type in network security group and go ahead and open up my network security group option. And here are some of the different resources that I have. I'm going to click on the virtual machine that I had created earlier. And when I open it up, we can see a small type of firewall setup that we can go in and edit. So we can see right now remote desktop, or RDP, is the first rule under the inbound security rules. The port is 3389, which is the standard TCP port for accessing remote desktop. Now we see the source set to any and the destination is set to any and the action is allowed. Then we have other types of ports and things like that, and then we also have a deny all, which you always end up with at the end of any rule set, so that way nothing else can get through that you don't want to. And then we have the outbound rules as well. In most cases, most outbound rules are set to any because there's typically no restriction to where you can go, just who can get in. So I'm going to go to this single rule for remote desktop and say, you know what, I don't want to have just anybody have access to my virtual machine. I want to lock that down. So we see the source is any. The source port ranges, it says star, so that means any source port. However, the service can only be under TCP 3389 that you can see here. The protocol is only going to be TCP, and the action is going to be allow. Now I'm going to go to where it says source, and I'm going to change that from any to a specific IP address. So I can choose a range of IP addresses, or I can choose just a single IP address. I'm going to enter in my IP address, so that way I'll still have access to it. I'm going to leave everything else exactly the way it is and click Save. So now RDP is no longer open to the rest of the world. It's just open to my source IP address. Network security groups are simply individual firewalls for each resource you create in Azure.